Alrighty guys, thanks for joining me today. Today we'll be doing a knee wax. So first off, we're gonna go ahead and do one side of the knee. So I'm gonna start from the top. And then today I'm using the Easy Turmeric Wax. And I like it. It's very flexible. It dries fairly fast. So as you've seen, I went down and then now I'm pulling the opposite way, pulling up. Now I'm going towards the middle and then going downwards. Now this is the inner side of the knee. And I'm going to go do the same thing I did on the other side. And then we are pulling the opposite way as we lay the wax. Okay, this strip here is going from the outer part of the knee to the inner part. So as you can see, I'm moving it towards the inner part. And this strip is just in case you miss some of the hair on the knee, because the knee is kind of the hardest thing to wax just because it's so dry and the hairs are going different ways, but that's the wax you can do there. Alrighty guys, and that is how you wax a knee. Hope you all enjoyed it. You guys take care. God bless. I will see you all in our next upload.